welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian. I'm excited to have you all here. If this is your first time on this channel, you're very much welcome. So today's video is for people I would consider career switchers, anyone looking to switch from a non-technical background into software tech, or anyone looking to just go into web development, or you just want to check this out to see if software tech is really for you or not. You're welcome to the right place. Few months ago, I switched my career from agriculture into software tech, and I'm excited in sharing my journey and finding ways that I could support you in your own journey. At the end of the day, we're interested in everyone's success story. So today we'll be discussing advice and guidelines to kickstart your tech career in 2022. So enough of the procrastination, enough of the deciding. If you've made up your mind to go into tech in 2022, thank you for being in the right place. So guys, today we'll be looking at things such as motivation. Why would you want to go into tech, or why do you want to go into tech? What area of tech are you going into? How do you start? Where do you start from? How much does it cost? How long is it gonna take you to get your first job? And what other tips helped me get to where I am today? So moving on, guys, let's back in. So speaking about motivation, what is your motivation for wanting a tech career? Why do you want to get into software development? Why do you want to get into web development? For me personally, there were three. The first one was the flexibility that software tech offered me. So the ability for me to work from anywhere in the world, the ability for me to manage work-life balance. That was it. Secondly, I find that I enjoy creating and building things that make day-to-day life easy for people. So working on projects and applications that I see come to life when family, friends use them. So that's why I'm currently enjoying working in tech, because software tech allows you to build applications that make life easy for people. Finally, the benefits package. This is what a lot of people would like to hear much about. So the benefits package. Now, I find that the earning potential in software tech is very high. So I believe that the more I gain skills and experience, the more I improve my earning potential. And in some cases, I can ask employers, this is how much I want. Are you happy to pay or not? Guys, that's amazing. So moving on, after you've decided what your motivations are, what then do you do next? I would strongly recommend deciding what part of software tech you want to go into. Do you want to go into front end, or do you want to go into back end, or do you want to go into full stack? So the front end is the visuals, the part of web applications that you can see. But then the back end is the part of applications that you can't really see, things that run in the background, the powerhouse basically. Now, the full stack is having both skills together. So being able to have the front end skills and the back end skills. So you need to decide which you want to go into. Now you've decided, what next? When you've decided, the basics would be to learn HTML, CSS for styling, and JavaScript. Now, the reason I do not, want to recommend this for only those going into front end or full stack is because even as a back-end developer, I strongly suggest you have some knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It comes in handy. So after you've, decided what you're studying, where do you find the courses? I found my courses on Udemy. So Udemy is a platform where you can find courses, both free courses and paid courses, that allow you to develop professionally, more like an online classroom, except you at your own pace. Okay, so I will link the course that really helped me down below. The course cost me £10. So in my entire journey into tech, I spent £10. That is mind-blowing, but that's how much I spent on buying my first bootcamp course on Udemy. So I really suggest you guys check Udemy out. They've got amazing resources. So secondly, I found YouTube resources very helpful, and I found Google is my very best friend. Moving on, I would also suggest, guys, after you've purchased your course, you started taking your course, you're really enjoying your course, what do you do next? I strongly suggest joining a tech community. This could be on Facebook, this could be on LinkedIn. Identifying with the tech community, this may be a group of tech newbies, people joining tech for the first time, or this might just be a group set up to encourage upcoming people in tech in your community. Also, if you use the hashtag TechNewbie on Twitter, you will see projects and individuals who are just getting into tech, and the projects they're working on posted daily. How amazing! Okay, guys. All right. Also, I'd like to remind you the part that most people leave out. No one told me. You need enough persistence to be able to excel in the tech career, especially software tech. You need persistence. You need confidence. You need to be passionate about it. These are the things that will keep you going when the going gets tough. So you need to be able to sit down and think about solutions to a problem. You don't need to have all the answers. No one has all the answers. You just need to know where to look. And luckily, there are loads of resources online on the internet, enough people to ask, a lot of communities for any programming language or any problem that you encounter. You're probably not the first person to encounter the problem. The solution may already be somewhere on the internet, so you need to look in the right places. So I hope I've been able to cover everything today, guys. If I remember anything that I have not covered, guys, I will include it in the next video. But then for today, thank you guys for stopping by. We have many more videos to come in the future, and I look forward to speaking to you guys again. Thank you for your time. Take care, look after yourself, and success. Bye.